How to remove Facebook from your Instagram account on Android. This tutorial shows you how to disconnect the two accounts from each other in just a few steps. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right to go to Settings. In the next step, go ahead and tap on Account Center. From there, tap on Manage Accounts to see all the accounts currently linked together. At this point, let me show you. Look for your Facebook account in the list and tap on Manage option on it. Following this, tap on Move this out of this account center. Once done, tap on Move Account. Tap on Continue to proceed. From there, tap on Finish Moving to fully disconnect your Facebook account from Instagram. At this point, your Facebook and Instagram accounts are now completely unlinked from each other. Here's an important note. Removing Facebook from your Instagram does not delete either account. Both will continue to exist separately and can still be accessed individually. From here, keep in mind that once unlinked, any cross-posting between Facebook and Instagram will stop working. If you want to share posts across both platforms, you'll need to relink them again through Account Center. And that's it. If this guide helped you remove Facebook from your Instagram account, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.